I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade lassi, step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh, plain yogurt which forms the creamy base. Next, prepare your sweetener. 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey work wonderfully. Also, have a half cup of cold water or milk on hand to adjust consistency. Finally, think about any flavorings you might like, such as a pinch of cardamom or some fresh fruit. These are the essentials for a delicious lassi. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to blend the base. Start by adding 1 cup of your plain yogurt into a blender. Then, spoon in 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener, whether it's sugar or honey. Next, pour in about a half cup of cold water or milk. This helps achieve the perfect drinkable consistency. Blend everything together on medium speed for about 30 seconds until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. This creates your perfect lassi foundation. With your lassi base ready, let's explore some delicious flavor variations. For a classic touch, add a small pinch of ground cardamom to the blender. If you prefer a fruity lassi, now is the time to add about 1/4 cup of fresh fruit, like ripe mango chunks or sweet berries. Blend again for another 20 to 30 seconds until the fruit is fully incorporated and the lassi is smooth. Taste and adjust the sweetness or thickness as needed, making it perfectly suited to your palate. Your homemade lassi is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the creamy, refreshing beverage into tall glasses. For an extra touch of elegance, you can garnish each glass with a fresh mint leaf or a light sprinkle of your chosen spice, like cardamom or cinnamon. Serve your lassi immediately to experience its full, cool refreshment. This delightful, homemade drink is perfect for any time of day, offering a wonderful blend of flavors and a satisfying texture. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.